Greetings everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix Xbox Game Pass is not available in your region. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So the Xbox Game Pass is not available in your region, so that is because it's basically blocked in your country. And what you can do to fix this, you have to go to your Xbox website. So account of xboxwebsite.com, and we will manage this from here. We can see this is the account for me. It's in Dutch, but I can explain everything because we need to change our country. What you need to do, you need to go to your profile picture, then go to your Microsoft account, because we will manage this from our Microsoft account, and then we have to hit our name just like that, and there we go. Now we are on our info from our Microsoft account that is also used on Xbox. Now what we need to do, we need to go to our country or region, and this is where you need to change it. So if you live in country where it's not available, I need to fix this, you can change the country. So we can go ahead and edit profile info, and then I need to verify. So I have to type this just like that. Okay, now get a code. It can take a few moments. Yes, there you go. Clarify, I forgot something. I think I like that Firefly, no thanks. And there we go. Now we can change our country. So you can change your country to, for example, the Netherlands, because it is available. I live in Netherlands. But if it's not available, you can change this to any country where it is available. I am not sure which other countries will work, but you can find that on internet, and this is where you can change it. So this is the way how you can fix Xbox Games Pass is not available in your region. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.